Good morning, everyone. In our previous class, we concluded the topic nutrition under life process. What is meant by nutrition and mode of nutrition in different organisms, how the process of photosynthesis is done in plants, and how the nutrition process is done in human body we discussed, and different variety of malnutrition diseases and vitamins importance we already discussed in the previous class. And by listening that lesson we learned how to maintain healthy food habits, also water, how we take diet properly, balanced diet for our better health we discussed. In the life process, the next topic is before going to deliver the topic, I want to question you. The first question is, what is the primary need of any living creature? What is the primary need of any living creature? Of course, your answers are air, water, and food. Without food, any living organism, it can maintain up to certain hours. Without water also, we and all living creatures, they can maintain up to some hours. But without air, any living organism, it cannot survive at least few seconds or minutes. So, around us, the atmospheric air contains different gases, means mixture of gases. We intake some variety of gases from the atmospheric air and we exhaled some variety of gases out. So, what is this mechanism? Why the need of intake of air and exhale some variety of gases from the air? Let us discuss. Today's topic is respiration. Before going to discuss the respiration topic, I want clarity from you. Listen, two words, breathing and respiration. Both are same. Breathing is different from the respiration process. Breathing is nothing but exchange of gases. Breathing is nothing but exchange of gases. Any living creature, the intake of oxygen, that process is named as inhalation, and giving out carbon dioxide, that process is named as exhalation. Inhalation and exhalation together called as breathing. Breathing is the process, inhalation and exhalation. This is the physical process, the exchange of gases. What is meant by respiration? Respiration means the process of oxidation of food and release of energy. Respiration means the process of oxidation of food and release of energy. What is meant by oxidation? The food, when combined with oxygen by burning, it releases energy. So like that, the process of oxidation of food release energy is named as respiration. So the breathing and the respiration both are differ from one to another. What happened in the digestion process? In the digestion process, the complex food material by the enzymatic reaction simplified into starch into glucose, proteins into amino acids, fats into fatty acids. Here in the digestion process, only the complex food material by the enzymatic reaction simplified. The starch, carbohydrates are simplified into glucose, proteins simplified into amino acids, fats simplified into fatty acids and glycerol. These all simplified food. These are all absorbable form, means soluble form, easily dissolved in watery substance. So these absorbable form of food material enter into blood. From the blood, it carried into all body parts. All body parts. All body parts, which is nothing but a combination of complex of tissues. Each tissue is nothing but complex of cells. So that the simplification of food from complex form to simple and observable form and enter into blood, then carries to each body part. Each body part is nothing but the group of tissues which includes the group of cells, so that the digested simplified absorbable form of food enter into each cell. Later in the respiration process, the oxidation of food means simplified food material, the glucose, by the combination of oxygen release energy. So, the after digestion of food, the soluble food material enter into blood. By the respiration process, the oxygen enter into blood. Both the soluble food material and the oxygen through the blood carries into each cell. In cellular level, the oxidation of food material is done in the mitochondria and release of energy is takes place.